with everything going on in Nigeria at the moment, if you do not have a multiple source of income, you're really on a long thing. I don't even envy you one bit. So today I'll be focusing more on students in colleges, students in university in Nigeria. Beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys know how much I love you for reaching out to me. Thank you, I love you guys so much. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, do-it-yourself tutorials and lifestyle. I film from city of Lagos in Nigeria. If any of this content I create interests you, kindly consider subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell to join our family. I'll be sharing with you 8 business ideas you can do in college as a student. These are businesses that require little or no capital. Yes, like they won't take so much from you. If you're a college student, if you have younger ones, elder ones, or you have friends even in the university or colleges you can share this with, please share it with them. If I knew half of what I know now as a student, guys, I know that I won't even be here. I would have gone far in life. I wouldn't be here. It's rare to see students who would not like multiple stream of income. So today that is what we'll be focusing on. These are things they can do like with reasonable amount of money or with no capital at all. Let's get right into it. The first business idea I'll be talking about is dropshipping business. I have a dropship group where I share updates of what I have, of the goods I have, and I have a lot of students in that group who are making so much for themselves. So I really know that they are students and they are making reasonable profits for themselves. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a process of buying and selling without having to stock up goods or having to meet the seller or the buyer of the product. You're a middleman. You get to work with importers, you get to work with direct importers who import stuffs into Nigeria, who import bags, shoes and the likes into Nigeria in bulk. Then you sell for them like a sales agent, but then everything will be online. You don't need to see them. All you just need for this business is your mobile phone and your internet connection, which almost every student have. Yes, almost every student. In short, some students are actually using iPhone. Even me, a business owner, I don't have an iPhone. So you see what I'm talking about. This does not require anything from you. All you just need is your phone, internet connection, and a business mind that yes, this is going to work for me. Anybody can do dropshipping. Yes, if you're a market woman, if you have a 9 to 5, anybody. And even for students, it's actually a cool idea. It's a cool way of making extra cash for yourself. So if you want to know how dropshipping works, you want to know the A to Z of dropshipping, I will link the video right up here. You can check here right up here for that video. And I have another video where I gave out contact of importers you can work with, contact of tested and trusted importers you can dropship for. I'll also link that video right up here. You can also check the description below for link to that video. Please check them out. You really find them up. So the second idea I'll be talking about is graphic designs. Yes, if you're an artistic person or you're so good you have graphic design skills, you might want to try out graphic designing. In this present age, we know that every businesses want to have an online presence, so they require logo and different templates for their businesses online. So if you have little skill or you're so good at graphic designing, please, this is something you want to consider as a student. Yeah, you can actually start doing making logos for businesses, different templates, Instagram, like different templates on Instagram. You can try that, or you can even choose to teach people. Yes, you can choose to teach others that skills online. Yeah, that is what most people are doing now. The third is you can start creating websites. If you have knowledge about website designing, you might want to venture into website designing for people. You can actually divide graphic designing, like you can make it into a module or package and just tag it with a price. Yes, if you register for this particular module or this particular course, this is what you get to learn from this very module. So just package it nicely and tag it and let them know that this is what they'll be gaining from registering for that course. And you see that people will definitely learn. Like there are people who are actually seeking knowledge, seeking to know how to do this or that. The guy who does my logos, the guy who does logos for my business is a student in Nigeria. Yes, in one of the colleges in Nigeria, he is a student and he's the one that does my logo. The least I've ever paid him is about 5,000 naira. Yes, that's the least I've ever paid him, and he's doing so for himself. I also have another friend, Techie. This is what he does. Yes, even while he was in school, this is what he does. You might want to check him out on Instagram. His Instagram name is techie breed. I'll just attach the link to his Instagram page in the description box below. He also teaches people, so if you want to learn graphic designing online, please check him out. He's very good at what he does. Yes, he's very good at what he does. Third one I'll be talking about is cooking soups or special dishes. When I was in college, there's this particular my signature egusi soup. There's this my signature egusi soup that I do not joke with. Yes, as a proper Ekiti babe, I learned that from my mom. So there are actually some guys, some of my friends, I think they visited me at some point, and I prepared semo with that egusi soup for them, so they liked it. It will just come, hello Fomike, please, that egusi, I need that egusi, please can you help me prepare it and bring it to my place? And he sent me money. That was what I was doing. Once I'll just go to the market in the evenings, or when I'm less busy, I'll go to the market, prepare it. I didn't even have the idea of this disposable packages or disposable bowls to use. Then it was usually my cooler, my big cooler. Once I cook it, everything I'll pack into my pot, I'll give it to them, and that's how I make money for myself in school then. So if you're one who is actually good in some special dishes or a particular soup, please, you can actually monetize it. Once you prepare that food, like normally you're preparing your food, take pictures, take good pictures of it, share to those WhatsApp groups you have in your school, advertise to the big boys, the big girls. This is what you do. You sell soups, you sell some special dishes, and you'll see that people will start making order with time. The fourth idea I'll be talking about is selling bags, selling of handbags. If you have, let's say, about 30,000 naira to 50,000 naira, you might want to consider selling handbags, mostly mini bags. Yes, because students really love mini bags. You might want to consider that. If you're based in Lagos, you might want to visit Eko Idumota, Balogun, and go to those sellers who sell those bags in wholesales, mini bags in wholesales. Go there and buy. You can start with like 20-30 pieces. Yes, when you go there, when you go to the direct sellers of those products, you might get mini bags within the price of 1,500 to 2,000 naira at wholesale price, or let's say max 3,000 naira. Very pretty mini bags. Buy them in wholesales, 10-20. You can start with that. Take them to schools and start advertising them. Students really love mini bags. Yes, from my years in business selling bags, I've come to realize that students really they prefer mini bags. So selling of mini bags in school will really sell. And if you're not in Lagos, there are actually some businesses you can chat up on WhatsApp. Please make sure you do your due diligence. That they also sell wholesales, so you can just buy that in wholesales. They can bill those bags to you wherever you are in the country. You'll get there. The next idea we're talking about is transcription, subtitling, and captioning business idea. Transcription is the act of listening to speech and converting them to written documents. Yes, you listen to a speech, then you convert them into a written document. Transcription is required by many professionals like doctors, lawyers, like in every sector. In every sector of the world, transcription is usually needed. This is because they need to have a certified copy, like a written document of every event they have. This is because they need to have a certified written copy of spoken events available for references. And transcribing will not take so much. It does not require so much specialty or professionalism. It will only take your time. Yes, it will take time. Transcribing isn't hard, but it can be time consuming. So if you know you have some time to yourself, so sit, listen to speech, then you translate them into written documents, please consider transcription job. The next idea I'll be talking about is selling of second-hand clothing. People refer to it as okrika or second-grade clothing. Yes, so if you have some change, let's say 30,000 naira upward with you, that you can invest in this business, please consider it. You go to market where you know that they sell those clothes like in bulk. You go there and you select. If you have good eyes for fashion or for good things, you'll be able to select good things. So just know their market days and go there very early. Select them. They are very cheap. Once you select them, go back to your hostel, wash them, sun dry them, and resell them. You can get some very fine tops for like 200 naira, 300 naira, as the case may be. You resell as the case. Like once you know your target audience, you know what they're capable of buying, you put your price and start selling it. So if you have little change with you, please consider selling second-hand clothing. Then the last idea I'll be talking about is phone repair. If you have little knowledge about phone repair, you might want to consider this business. Please don't go and collect people's phone and spoil it too and say it was Fumike that asked us to venture into phone repairing, please. But if you're interested in it but you're not so good at it, you might want to meet with professionals, like people who are good at that, and learn for a few weeks, few months, then you're good to go. Almost every student have phones, and we know that as time goes on, these phones, they develop fault at some point or the other. So you might want to take this up if you're good at phone repairing. Tell your friends. You can use posters, print out posters and paste in your hostels, in classrooms, in the schools, and tell people that if they have an issue with your phone, you can help them to repair it at a certain fee. And the good thing about this is you do not even need a store. You can do this from your hostel, from your apartment, from anywhere. You can do it. Once people know that you're good at it, they will start referring people to you. Whenever, oh, I have a bad phone. Oh, I know somebody who can help you repair this phone. And that is how it starts. Till it becomes a very big business. If you're a student and you're watching this and you've actually indulged or you've started any of those business ideas, please let me know. Let me get a feedback from you in the comment section. Share with us what your experience has been in that business. Thank you so much. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, comment and share this video if you find it helpful, and also subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Also share to your friends, to anybody you feel might benefit from this video. Please check the video right up here for other side also ideas you can start from home or from anywhere, both online and offline side also ideas you can start. Please check the video out. I also put the link to some of my videos in the description box below. Please check it out, and also let me know what next you'd love to watch on my channel in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section to interact with you. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much. See you in other videos I have on this channel and in the comment section. Thank you.